Top 10 must-try chocolate brands. You heard it right. Dili lang na sa Nishlan. What's up Davao? It's your Nomad. And for today's video, come with me as I visit one of the cheapest chocolate stores sa Davao City. Tara sulod ta. As I enter, the store was so spacious, puno og tao. Pag ma-overwhelm ka sa nagkalain-laing brands of chocolates. And here's my top 10 chocolates you must try. Katong gustong mga wafer sticks, try Delico for 150 pesos. They also have Massimo Shambella for 150 pesos na siya 6 packs. Kini guys, Choco Pie. For 180 pesos, daghan na kayo flavors to choose from. Next is the Maxon Field Biscuits. In fairness, dako siya guys. Sulit na for 125 pesos. Kung dili mawala ang ube cheese bars. Sa 59 lang guys. Dili ko na surprise. Naaday Kinder Bueno. For 50 pesos, malipay jud ang mga bata ani. Katong gustog almonds, try Trapa for 169 pesos. One of their best sellers is the Galaxy Choco. You can have this for only 128 pesos. Katong gustog buy one take one, try Cashew Chocolate Bar for only 220. Ini guys, one of my favorite. For 69 pesos, na kay Milka. They also give free chocolates, just follow their social media accounts. Until today na lang na guys, atak na! The first 24 hours chocolate store in Davao City. You heard it right. Dili lang na sa Nishlan. What's up Davao? It's your Nomad. Come with me as I visit the newest branch of one of the cheapest chocolate store in Davao. Naara sila sa Matina, so mao ni ang Mapua. In front of that is the Macpad building. And here we are, the Nishlan Matina branch. Tara sulod ta. Pagsakan nimo, nara sila sa second floor, left side. As I enter, the store was so spacious. Nibunga din sa ako ang nagkalain-laing brands of chocolates. Starting from chocolate bars, ini guys something new, Doraemon Gummy Candy. Nasad ang trending nga dried veggies sa TikTok. O dili mawala ang inyong favorite chocolate brands papasalubong. Ug mao ni yung exciting part. Guys, look at that. First time ko kita og ani kadako nga sneakers. Ayos, di ba? I was there with my fellow influencer friends. Og shoutout po kay Kuya Pakas Davao. So what are you waiting for? Nasa lay pa free chocolate sa ilang soft opening today. So mao to guys, ato na diri. Check their page and follow for more Nomad Recos. Guys, ang cheapest chocolate store sa Davao kay naa na sa Babak Samal. Yes, you heard it right. Dili lang na sa Nishlan Food Life. What's up Davao? It's your Nomad. And for today's video, come with me as I visit the first Nishlan branch sa Samal Island. As I enter, grabe sad ka spacious ilang store diri, same sa Davao. Guys, look at that. Kaka-open lang, pero ginadayo na sa mga Samaleños ilang store. Ug ang bakta sa exciting part, naagapon ilang mga promos and discounts diri. Like 3 bite size for 50 pesos. Sulit di ba? Kini guys, 3 regular size for only 100 pesos. Naglaway na kano. Ug dili mawala ang ilang 6 pieces for only 50 pesos. Mura ginapanghatag naman ni guys. They also have different flavors of Ferrero to choose from. And not just that, nasad sila yung mga nachos, cookies, ug inyong mga favorite brands pang pasalubong. Kini mawala pa ba di ay ni? Ang trending na sneaker yard na first time na ako nakita silang Matina branch. Naasad sila yung mga baligi nga drinks. Labi na karon nga init ang panahon. By the way guys, naara sila sa Babak. Mauni ang Anamer Hardware Enterprise at pangraana is the Nishlan Samal branch. Ug maulong to guys, ato na diri. Check their page and follow for more Nomad Recos.